For centuries, hidden among the archives of Europe, there existed a book so mysterious that it continues to challenge historians, cryptographers, linguists, and scientists even today. Its pages are filled with strange symbols, impossible plants, mysterious diagrams, and illustrations unlike anything found in any other medieval manuscript. No one knows exactly who wrote it, why it was created, or what its strange text actually means. This is the story of the Voynich Manuscript, one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in human history. The manuscript first entered the modern world in 1912 when a Polish-American rare book dealer named Wilfrid Voynich discovered it at a Jesuit college near Rome, Italy. While examining a collection of old books, Voynich came across a peculiar manuscript that immediately captured his attention. Unlike any document he had ever seen, its pages contained a completely unknown writing system. Voynich recognized that the book was extraordinary. He purchased it and devoted years of his life to understanding its origins. Eventually, the manuscript became known by his name, and the mystery began attracting attention from scholars around the world. Although the manuscript was discovered in the 20th century, its true origins stretch much further into the past. Modern carbon dating, conducted in 2009, revealed that the parchment used to create the book dates between 1404 and 1438. This means the manuscript was produced during the late Middle Ages, a period marked by political upheaval, scientific curiosity, religious influence, and growing interest in alchemy and medicine. Yet despite knowing approximately when the manuscript was created, researchers still have no definitive answer regarding who wrote it. Over the years, numerous candidates have been proposed. Some theories suggest that the author was a medieval physician, documenting medical knowledge. Others argue that it may have been created by an alchemist recording secret formulas. A few researchers even believe it was the work of a highly educated scholar, inventing an entirely new language. The manuscript contains approximately 240 surviving pages, though experts believe some pages are missing. Every page is covered with mysterious symbols arranged into words and sentences. The writing flows smoothly from left to right, suggesting that the author was familiar with the script and wrote it naturally. At first glance, the symbols appear completely meaningless. However, detailed analysis reveals something surprising. The text follows statistical patterns commonly found in real languages. Certain symbols appear more frequently than others. Some words repeat regularly throughout the manuscript. Others appear only in specific sections. This behavior is unusual because random gibberish typically lacks such structure. As a result, many researchers believe that the text contains meaningful information rather than nonsense. The biggest mystery is that nobody can read it. For more than a century, some of the world's greatest minds have attempted to decipher the manuscript. Linguists have compared it to hundreds of known languages. Cryptographers have tested countless encryption methods. Historians have searched for clues in medieval records. Computer scientists have used advanced algorithms to analyze its patterns. Despite all these efforts, no universally accepted translation has ever been produced. The manuscript's illustrations make the mystery even more fascinating. Researchers generally divide the book into several sections, based on the drawings found throughout its pages. The largest section is known as the botanical section. It contains detailed illustrations of plants accompanied by blocks of text. During the Middle Ages, herbal books were common references for physicians and healers. Such books described medicinal plants and their uses. At first, scholars assumed the Voynich manuscript was simply another herbal guide. However, a closer look revealed a problem. Most of the plants do not exist. Some illustrations resemble known species, but none match perfectly. Many appear to combine leaves, roots, flowers, and stems from different plants into entirely new creations. Researchers have searched extensively for real-world equivalents, yet most remain unidentified. This has led to several possibilities. Perhaps the plants are symbolic representations rather than realistic illustrations. Maybe they belong to a lost artistic tradition, or perhaps they were intentionally altered to conceal secret knowledge. No one knows for certain. Another section of the manuscript focuses on astronomy and astrology. Its pages contain circular diagrams featuring stars, moons, suns, and zodiac symbols. Researchers have identified recognizable zodiac signs such as Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, and Virgo. These illustrations suggest that the manuscript may have been connected to medieval astrology, which played a significant role in medicine and daily life during that era. Many physicians believe that the positions of celestial bodies influenced human health. Treatments were sometimes planned according to astrological charts. However, the exact purpose of the astronomical diagrams remains unclear. Perhaps they served as calendars. Perhaps they recorded observations of the sky. Or perhaps they encoded information that modern researchers have yet to understand. Among the manuscript's most unusual illustrations are images found in what scholars call the biological section. These pages depict numerous women, many of whom appear to be bathing in green liquid. The women are connected through elaborate networks of tubes, channels, and pools. Some figures wear crowns, while others appear to be interacting with strange structures resembling pipes or organs. The meaning of these images has generated endless debate. Some researchers believe they represent medical concepts related to the human body. Others suggest they depict reproductive processes or fertility rituals. A few theories connect them to alchemy, where symbolic imagery often represented transformation and hidden knowledge. The images are unlike anything commonly found in medieval manuscripts, making interpretation extremely difficult. Another mysterious part of the book is often called the cosmological section. Here, readers encounter large, fold-out pages containing intricate diagrams filled with circles, pathways, islands, stars, and interconnected structures. These fold-out illustrations are among the manuscript's most impressive features. Creating them would have required considerable effort and planning. Their complexity suggests that they held significant importance for the author, yet their meaning remains entirely unknown. Some experts speculate that they may represent maps. Others believe they depict symbolic visions of the universe. One fold-out contains a massive diagram, featuring multiple connected circular structures that continue to puzzle researchers. The manuscript also includes what is known as the pharmaceutical section. This part contains drawings of containers, resembling jars and vessels, alongside plant fragments and additional text. The images suggest a connection to medicine or the preparation of remedies. If the manuscript truly functioned as a medical reference, this section may have documented ingredients, treatments, or methods of preparation. However, because the text remains unreadable, these interpretations cannot be confirmed. One of the most important questions surrounding the Voynich Manuscript is whether the text represents a genuine language. For decades, researchers have argued over this issue. Some believe the writing encodes a natural language using an elaborate cipher. In this scenario, the symbols correspond to letters, sounds, or words hidden behind layers of encryption. Others argue that the manuscript may be written in a completely unknown language that has since disappeared from history. There are also theories suggesting that the text was generated using a sophisticated method designed to imitate language without conveying actual meaning. Yet this explanation faces challenges. Creating hundreds of pages of consistent text would have required enormous dedication. Statistical analyses repeatedly show patterns similar to those found in real languages. The manuscript behaves too intelligently to be dismissed easily as random nonsense. Because of this, many experts continue to believe that meaningful information lies hidden within its pages. Throughout the 20th century, numerous code breakers attempted to solve the mystery. Some of the most famous cryptographers involved had previously broken military codes during wartime. If anyone possessed the skills necessary to decipher a secret manuscript, it should have been them. Yet they failed. Every proposed solution eventually collapsed under scrutiny. Translations that initially appeared convincing could not consistently explain the entire text. Patterns emerged that contradicted the proposed interpretations. As a result, the manuscript retained its reputation as an unsolved puzzle. The rise of computers introduced new methods of investigation. Researchers began analyzing the text using advanced statistical models. Computers could identify recurring patterns, compare word frequencies, and search for hidden structures far more efficiently than human investigators. More recently, artificial intelligence has entered the search. Machine learning systems have examined the manuscript in hopes of identifying relationships between its symbols and known languages. Some studies have suggested possible similarities to Hebrew, Latin, or other historical languages. Others have proposed entirely different interpretations. However, none of these findings has achieved widespread acceptance. The mystery remains unresolved. Over time, more imaginative theories have emerged. Some people claim the manuscript contains knowledge from a lost civilization. Others suggest connections to secret societies, hidden religious groups, or forgotten scientific traditions. There are even theories involving extraterrestrials. Supporters of these ideas point to the manuscript's strange plants and unusual diagrams as evidence that the book describes knowledge beyond medieval understanding. Most historians reject such claims due to a lack of evidence. Nevertheless, these theories contribute to the manuscript's enduring popularity. The Voynich Manuscript occupies a unique place between history, science, and legend. Unlike many historical mysteries that eventually find explanations, this one continues to resist every attempt at resolution. Each generation brings new technologies and fresh perspectives. Each generation believes it may finally unlock the secret, yet the manuscript remains silent. Today, the Voynich Manuscript is preserved at the Yale University, where it is carefully protected and studied. High-resolution digital scans allow people across the world to examine every page in remarkable detail. Thousands of amateur researchers join professionals in searching for clues. Online communities discuss theories, compare symbols, and debate interpretations. The mystery has become a global collaboration spanning continents and disciplines. More than 600 years after its creation, the manuscript continues to inspire curiosity. Who created it? Why was it written? What secrets do its pages contain? Was it a scientific document, a medical handbook, a coded message, an elaborate hoax, or something entirely different? No one can answer these questions with certainty. Perhaps one day a breakthrough in artificial intelligence, cryptography, or historical research will reveal the truth. Until then, the Voynich Manuscript remains one of humanity's greatest unsolved mysteries, a silent voice from the distant past, waiting patiently for someone to finally understand its message.